In this ice cream video editing tutorial, I will show you how to mirror a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Icecream. A link to my beginners tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, here's a simple video of a train, and I've brought it into the timeline track down here. Mirroring your video, or flipping it as some people call it, is very simple. Just select the general tab, and you've got some buttons here. So you've got flip horizontally or flip vertically. So vertically is obvious how that works, and horizontal just mirrors the clip. You can also mirror and flip it upside down as well. Once you're selected what you want to do, select done, and then all you need to do is just go ahead and render the video or export the video. I'll export this now, and the sort of example you saw at the beginning of this tutorial will be the one I've exported here. So hopefully that's helped someone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.